What's up, family? Happy New Year. Welcome to mini-bytes session 27, and today's theme is mind-body movement. My name is Erin and I'm an executive coach. If you would like to learn more about the Redefining Success program, please email me at ejmcclos@yahoo.com. My next workshop will be on February 23rd, my next Redefining Success workshop. Please note that this upcoming workshop is for women only. It will be my first women's only workshop that I will be hosting on the East Coast. I'm really excited about this. It will be at Villanova, and we will have 3 guest speakers coming to the event. If you'd like to find out more, please go to Eventbrite and search for the Redefining Success Women's Only Workshop, and or you can also email me for additional details as well. So today we are going to do some mind-body movement exercises. As an executive coach, I focus on the mind-body-heart connection, and so part of my work involves teaching different mind-body movement practices. I'm the co-creator of a particular system. I will demonstrate a few of those postures during our time together today. Feel free to join me in these practices. I would just ask that you do some stretching prior to the practices. Due to time, I won't be able to go through too much stretching with you beforehand. So the 3 subcategories underneath mind-body movement: relaxation, response, movement, meditation, and many other health benefits. So what I will say is that when you engage in certain mind-body movement practices, including the one I will demonstrate part of today, you initiate the body's relaxation response, which basically gives your body a chance to produce certain chemicals that suit the needs of your body without any side effects. So it's almost like our bodies are actually their own little pharmaceutical manufacturing plants. And when you engage in certain mind-body movement practices like what we're about to do, you can expect your body to initiate that relaxation response in your body, initiating the release of chemicals that are supportive to your body. Movement meditation, certain mind-body movement practices like what we are going to practice shortly, can be considered a type of what is called movement meditation. So just keeping in mind that this is a practice of mindfulness and something that is supportive of, or could be integrated easily into your existing spiritual practice. And then finally, there are many other health benefits: reducing stress and anxiety, lowering blood pressure, and the list really goes on and on. So for today, because we only have a few minutes for the mini-bite sessions, I will please join me as we will do 2 of the postures of the Redefining Success Variation 1. So please stand, feet hip-width apart, knees are slightly bent, tailbone is slightly tucked, shoulders relaxed, and begin to focus on the breath. Eyes face the horizon, chin parallel to the earth, arms slightly bent at the elbows, fingers relaxed. Taking a moment now and shifting the weight to the fronts and backs of your feet without lifting your feet. On the next inhale, allowing the arms to float out to the sides, out and upward to the sky. Stretching up through the arms. This 2-point meridian stretch involves stretching up toward the sky and down through the legs, through the feet, into the core of the earth. Continuing to focus on the breath, activating, stretching, up and through the arms, out through the fingertips, into the sky, chin parallel to the earth, simultaneously stretching down through the sides of the body, through the legs, out through the feet, into the earth. Taking one more full breath. And on the next exhale, slowly drawing arms out to the sides, forming capital T. From here, this 3-point meridian stretch, activating, stretching out through the arms, elbows slightly bent, stretching out through the arms, through the palms, fingertips face the sky, almost as if your palms are pushing out, two walls closing in on you. Pushing out, activating, stretching as well through the crown of the head, chin parallel to the earth, while stretching down through the legs, through the feet, into the core of the earth. Breathe through discomfort. If I were to press on your hands right now, it would be hard as they would be firm, pushing out, active. This is an active posture. One more full breath cycle. And slowly allow the arms to fall toward the sides. Inhale, arms around the back, fingertips intertwine, reversing palms to face outward if shoulders allow, and begin to allow the arms to draw up and back toward the upper back. Listen to the body. Some discomfort is okay, but not too much. At this time, begin to allow the body to fall forward and fold, allowing the arms to fall as well. If that is painful, allow the arms to remain close to the back. Taking a few deeper inhalations and exhalations, fold it over. Gently, slowly, rolling back up into standing position, releasing the arms. Inhaling once again, arms out facing the front, fingertips intertwine, palms facing out. This time, activating the stretch through the arms, out through the palms toward the horizon, and again through the crown of the head up toward the sky, almost as if a rope was attached to the top of your head, connecting you to a cloud, stretching up through the head and grounding down through the legs, out through the feet, into the core of the earth. Stretching out through the arms, this 3-point stretch is an active posture. Continue to focus on the breath. Shoulders relaxed, knees are soft. Gently releasing the fingertips, allowing the arms to fall back to the side.